we know that the Cartesian product of sets is nothing but a set of ordered elements. Cartesian product of two sets is set of ordered pairs. Cartesian product of three sets is set of ordered triplets. Right? Let A, B and C be three non-empty sets. Cartesian product of A with B is defined as A cross B equal to set of all ordered pair A comma B such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. Cartesian product of A cross B cross C is defined as A cross B cross C equal to set of all ordered triplets A, B, C such that A belongs to capital A, B belongs to capital B and C belongs to capital C. Our first element belongs to a first set, second element belongs to second set and third element also belongs to third set. Do you understand, students? So, A cross A equal to set of all ordered pair A comma B such that A and B belongs to A. Right? Next, elements of the Cartesian product are ordered and hence for non-empty sets A cross B is not equal to B cross A unless A equal to B. Suppose A equal to B means our A cross B is also equal to B cross A. R cross R is nothing but that is our R squared. What is the meaning for R squared? That is a two dimension. Okay, two dimension plane, right? So R cross R is equal to set of all ordered pair X comma Y such that X comma Y belongs to R. Here capital R is denoted as real numbers. So this R cross R indicates our Cartesian plane. Then R cross R that is R cube, three dimension figure, right? So that is equal to set of all ordered triplets X, Y, Z such that X, Y, Z are also belongs to capital R. Next, N of A cross B equal to N of A into N of B. Suppose A have three elements and set B have two elements means our N of A cross B equal to 3 into 2 that is equal to 6. Right? Cardinality of A cross B is equal to product of their cardinalities of the sets. Right? Next, N of A cross B cross C equal to N of A into N of B into N of C. Okay, do you understand, students? Next, we will see some example problems. If A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 2, 4, 6, then find A cross B. So, A cross B equal to, first you will take the first element in the first set and combine this element with were all elements of the second set. Okay, so set of all 1, 2, 1, 4 and 1, 6. Next you will take second element in the first set and this element combined with all the elements of the second set. So 2 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6. Then our last element is 3. So 3 is combined to all the elements of B. So 3 comma 2, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 6. That is our A cross B. Suppose here we are going to find n of A cross B means that is equal to number of elements in A cross B. How many numbers are in the set A cross B? How many elements? Yes, 9 elements are in A cross B. So n of A cross B equal to 9. You will check your formula. Here n of A is 3, n of B is also 3. So n of A cross B is equal to 3 into 3, 9. So our answer is correct. Okay. Next, we will see one more example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3, 4 and C equal to 4, 5, 6. Find A cross B intersection C. First of all, you find B intersection C value. Here B intersection C. What is the meaning for intersection? Yes, the element is common for both the sets B and C. So you check here 3 only common for both sets in A and B, and 4 is common for the sets B and C. We need B intersection C only. So B intersection C is equal to singleton 4. Then A cross B intersection C equal to 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Right? Okay, good students. Next, find A cross B intersection A cross C. First of all, you find A cross B value and A cross C value. Afterwards, you will take the intersection for these two sets. Right? Yes. The similar manner, you will do the remaining parts of this problem. Right. So A cross B intersection A cross C is equal to singleton set of all 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Right? Then you proceed the same manner in the remaining part. Next example problem. For a set A, A cross A contains 16 elements. 2 of its elements are 1, 3 and 0, 2. Find elements of A. Here, what are the informations are given? Yes, A, B, a set, only one set is given. Then A cross A contains 16 elements, means n of A cross A is equal to 16. In 16 elements, only 2 elements are given. 1, 3 and 0, 2 are given. Then what is our question? We are going to find the element of A. Okay, right students? So, in the given information, our A value equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, because our first ordered pair contains 2 elements and the second ordered pair contains 2 elements. So 2 and 2 both are different elements. Okay, all are different. So these 4 elements only the set having A, because our A cross A is 16. So n of A is 4, means n of A cross A equal to n of A into n of A. So 4 into 4, 16. So we finished our problem. N of A equal to 4. So that elements are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Do you understand students? Reverse process. Okay. Right. Next problem. If A cross A has 16 elements, S equal to set of all ordered pair A comma B such that A cross A, that is the ordered pair is a set of the Cartesian product A cross A such that one more condition is given, A is less than B, right? Then minus 1 comma 2 and 0 comma 1 are two elements of S. Then find the remaining elements of S. The same manner, here also 4 elements are given. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. 4 elements are different. So you will take this is for A. So set A is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 2. Next you find A cross A. We get 16 elements. Then in our questions they are asking only find the remaining elements of S. So here 2 elements are given, right? So you are going to find the remaining 14 elements, but here one condition is given. That condition is our A is always less than B. Our first element is always less than the second element. So our remaining elements are minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 1, 0 comma 2, 1 comma 2, right? Do you understand, students? You already done in your CW note. Yes. So just I recall. Next problem. Let A and B be two sets such that n of A equal to 3 and n of B equal to 2. If ordered pairs x comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1 are in A cross B. Find A and B where x, y and z are distinct elements. So A cross B is given. Find the set A and B. So A equal to our first elements are always belongs to the first set. Our second elements in an ordered pair is always belongs to second set. So here x, y, z are elements of the set A, and here 1, 2, 1 in a set elements are not repeated. So you put 1 comma 2 is our the elements of set B. Okay, do you understand, students? Right. Then next example, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, find n of A union B cross A intersection B cross A symmetric difference B. Here n of A given, B given. First of all you find A union B and A intersection B and A difference B. Afterwards you find the cardinality of these sets. So here our n of A union B equal to 6, n of A intersection B is equal to 2, n of A symmetric difference B is equal to 4. Then find n of A union B cross A intersection B cross A symmetric difference B. That is equal to product of their cardinality of these sets. So that is equal to 6 into 2 into 4. That value is equal to 48. Right? Okay, good. Do you understand?